You want to know what I really don't like about the Umidigi F1? Find out next. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video I have the 5 things I absolutely don't like about the Umidigi F1. So let's dive right into the video. The number one thing I absolutely don't like about the Umidigi F1 is the stock launcher it comes with. Now it is a little bit similar to the Pixel launcher, but not just quite. It does not have dark mode when you swipe right to the Google feed. Even if you have a dark wallpaper in place, it would not switch over to the dark mode. I don't know why. It bugs me a lot because I really like those dark themes now, and that's just irritated me that I will have a dark wallpaper every time I swipe right. I got that bright ass Google feed in light mode and it just drove me nuts. Another thing that I don't like about that launcher is that it only has 4 icons across on the home screen as well as in the app drawer. The Pixel launcher has 5 icons across, both in the home screen and in the app drawer. If you download a second launcher, a third-party launcher from like the Google Play Store, Rootless launcher is probably one of my favorite launchers right now. That one gives you 5 across on the home, 5 across in the app drawer, and it even gives you the option to customize it if you like. This one does not give you any customization at all, and it doesn't even go into dark mode. So that is my number one thing I absolutely don't like about my Umidigi F1. The second thing about the Umidigi F1 that I don't like is that it's probably not going to receive updates as frequently as I like. I like to have my phone secured, and I like those monthly security updates I get from Google. Now Umidigi doesn't have a great track record with updates. Let's just hope they change their ways with the Umidigi F1 and absolutely try at least to give us quarterly updates, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. The third thing I don't like about the Umidigi F1 is that it does not use the Pi native gestures. They implemented their own gestures, which is called like slippery gestures. Now they're not bad, but they're not quite good as well. I have seen some apps freak out with those type of gestures. They get cut off at the bottom when swiping up and down, or the apps don't absolutely take the full screen of the display, and it kind of gets a little buggy and weird at times. So I really hope that they actually would have gave you the stock Pi gestures and their gestures if they wanted to. Number 4, the fingerprint reader in the back misfires more than a goddamn stormtrooper. It takes 2 to 3 to 4 times sometimes to even actually register my fingerprint. Man, that thing absolutely sucks. Now I have re-registered it a couple times, and each time I do re-register my fingerprint, it does get a little bit better, but sometimes it just acts like all funky and stuff, and it won't not even read my fingerprint at all. I always have to put in my code because it says I've tried so many times. I maxed out the allowed times to read the fingerprint, and it makes me punch in my PIN code. It gets so frustrated. Let's hope that Umidigi comes out with the update and addresses this issue. The number 5 thing I don't like about this phone is the camera app. The camera app absolutely sucks on this phone. It's slow, laggy, and buggy. And frankly, I think it's holding the sensor on the back. It doesn't give you great pictures. It gives you okay pictures in daylight. In low light, it's absolutely terrible. I do have some samples coming up, and you can click on the video right there. You can go and judge for yourself. and you tell me what you think about those pictures or what you think about the camera on this phone. Not saying this phone can't take a great picture. I think the camera app is holding the phone back in that department. I am gonna try to install a third-party camera app like Open Camera to see if it actually helps and I can get some better quality pictures out of the Umidigi F1. Thanks for watching, guys. Those are my 5 things I absolutely don't like about the Umidigi F1. If you have some things you don't like about your Umidigi F1, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching again, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.